Let's learn about how to register as a handler on Handleforme. Starting your business with Handleforme is easy. Tap on the Become a Handler button to begin your registration journey. Enter your personal information, including your name, mobile number, and email address on the screen, and choose a password for your account. Select one of the listed categories as your line of business on the next screen. You can select multiple categories if your business is covering various lines. Select the specialities matching your line of business. You will be listed on the search results based on these specialities. Let's add more details to stand out from the other handlers on the platform. Start by writing your business name and filling up the other details. Type your address or select your location on the map on the next screen. Now add a clear profile picture to represent your business. Choose an attractive photo or use your logo to get attention on the search results. Let's tell your customers why they should hire you. Write a good description of your business. You can check the sample we prepared for you. Next, we'll ask you to upload your ID and trade license documents to verify your business. Don't worry, your information is secure and we will not share it with anyone. It's time to set up your work preferences for your business. Start with setting up your business hours to accept new customers. Now give some details about your specialities by answering the questions. This will help get you filtered on the search results. You can always update your preferences under your profile page later. We will send you leads for potential customers. Set up your weekly budget to get in touch with new customers on this screen. You will increase your visibility as you set your limit higher. After setting up your weekly budget, select one of the credit packages we prepared for you. Choose your subscription package on the next screen to complete your purchase with your credit or debit card. Congratulations! You are now registered as a handler on Handleforme. Your profile will be ready once we verify your business in a couple of hours. Go to your profile, upload reference pictures for your business, and ask for reviews from your previous customers. Join Handleforme and start your business now.